Good morning, student. Today I am discuss about some numerical problems that are related to the problem of surface area of the curve, which is the rotation about the x-axis. Rotation about the x-axis. Now we take the question which are related to surface area. Now we take the first question, which is a very important question for examination point of view. Question first is, find the surface area. Find the surface area of the curve. Find the surface area of the curve r square equal to a square cos 2 theta, which is known as lemniscate. Find the surface area of this curve r square equal to a square cos 2 theta, which is known as lemniscate, about the initial line. It means theta equal to 0 degree. Find the surface area of the curve about the initial line. It means the given curve r square equal to a square cos 2 theta is a polar coordinate. It means polar form. So we will use the formula of surface area which is related to polar coordinate. In order to use this formula, as we already know that this formula is contained in integration, so first our aim is to evaluate the limit of integration, and in order to evaluate the limit of integration, first we trace the curve. Solution. Given that r square equal to a square cos 2 theta, which is lemniscate. This is a special type curve which is known as lemniscate. It has a special curve. Lemniscate. We trace the curve. Theta equal to 0 degree. Theta is equal to pi by 2. Theta is pi and theta equal to 3 pi by 2. The curve r square equal to a square cos 2 theta has the form has the figure like this, which is known as lemniscate. The property of this curve is this curve has the tangent at the pole. This is known as pole, and that is the initial line, and this is the pole. The property of this curve, which is symmetrical about initial lines, and it has the tangent at the pole. This is the tangent line, that is the theta is equal to pi by 4 and theta is equal to minus pi by 4. This is the tangent line of the curve at the point origin, at the pole. When this curve is rotated about the initial line, thus it generates a circle which have the radius that is parallel to the line theta is equal to pi by 2. So the formula of surface area in terms of polar coordinate, S equal to integral 0 to integral a to b 2 pi y into under root r square plus dr upon d theta whole square into d. Now we use this simply formula, a simple exact form of this formula. Now here we use the exact form of formula. surface area is equal to integral 0 to pi 2 pi by under root r square plus dr upon d theta का whole square. Now first we calculate the value of dr upon d theta by using this equation. Now we differentiate with respect to theta. 2r dr upon d theta equal to minus a square. This implies sin 2 theta into 2 d theta. Now 2 is cancelled out from both the sides, and the value of dr upon d theta will be minus a square sin 2 theta minus a upon sin 2 theta equal to r. And the value of r is can be written as dr upon d theta. Anyway, we write this form, we use this form. Now we substitute this value in this formula. Then the surface area as equal to integral the curve rotated about the initial lines, then the one loop of the curve is varied between the line theta is equal to pi by 4 and theta is equal to minus pi. So the limit of integration or the variation of one loop of the curve is from minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. So value of theta is minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 to pi, and the value of y in terms of polar coordinate, as we already know that x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta in polar term. So the value of y will be y equal to r sin theta into r square. The value of r square is a square cos 2 theta, a square cos theta plus the value of dr upon d theta is plus a square sin 2 theta upon r whole square d theta. Now we substitute this value in the given integral. Now we simplify this value. As equal to 2 pi is constant, take outside the integrations. Integral minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, and the value of r is root a cos 2 theta. Now we substitute the value of r is a, take outside the sign of integration, then this value will be under root cos 2 theta into sin theta. Now we substitute the value of r here. Into under root. Now we square. Now a square sin 2 theta upon r whole square. Now we substitute the value of r square is a square cos 2 theta plus e raised to the power of 5 sin square 2 theta upon r square, and the value of r square is a square cos 2 theta dt. Now we simplify this integral. Now therefore the surface integral s equal to 4 pi a square integral 0 to pi by 4 sin theta dt. Now we get this integral after simplification of this value. Now here we use the property of definite integrals for even function. Then limit minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 will be 2 into 0 to pi by 4. Now using the property of definite integral here, then we get the surface integral is 4 pi a square 0 to pi into sin theta. Now we integrate s equal to 4 pi a square, and the integration of sin is cos theta minus cos theta and 0 to pi by 4. Now we substitute the limit of integration, upper limit minus lower limit, then the surface integral as 4 pi a square minus pi by 4 minus plus cos 0. As we know that by using the trigonometrical formula, surface area S equal to 4 pi a square, and the value of cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. This implies 1 minus 1 by root 2. Cos 0 is 1. This is the required surface area of this curve. This is the required surface area of this curve. This is the required surface area. In this sequence, we take another question which is also related to this surface area. Now we take a very interesting questions of surface area with respect to these formulas. Now we taking second question. Question 2 is find the surface area. Find the surface area of the curve that